They're supposed to brand here.
Okay.
They will brand all this.
So all these things now you are set to give them to your constituents.
On 6th of December.
December.
This is meant for constituents.
She make a money.
It's meant for my constituents. You know. And
to celebrate your 2 years anniversary.
To celebrate my 2 years. They are still branding here. Here we carry a picture with myself and governor.
Okay.
This side. All this.
Chineke cars, motorcycle. Umonna bia lere o. Bia no lere no. People will be asking, where are you getting this? Where are you getting this? Because this thing is like the second edition.
Yeah, because
now you are in office because I think we were here last year. Sometime was it July or so?
Yeah, I have to show love to my people for the love.
This one is mega empowerment.
Yes.
Multi-mega empowerment. Cycle too.
This one has 3 cycles. They are still coupling it.
And even motorcycle. Okay. These are grinding machine. Yes. You also brand them.
Yes.
So you can see that they are still coupling some of these keke.
Yes.
From what the honorable is saying on the 6th of December, it will be a shutdown empowerment.
Yes.
Here in Isuikwuato. Hey, honorable. Honestly speaking, if there's a better word to use.
You can see. Because we want, everybody must not go to school.
Yes.
Even some that went to school that could not get job.
Yes.
Can start with this.
Yes.
And be able to sustain.
So I'm seeing something like machine, industrial machine.
Yes, this is the industrial machine. We want to give it to tell us. Today they call themselves
Design.
and designing.
That's the model.
And we advertise for it.
One of these standing.
These are deep freezers. These are deep freezers. Even more are still coming. So that because these are the things that some of our young people they need to you know, because
We used to make a
everybody
living.
must not get job.
Yes,
But with this, they can help themselves.
you're correct.
So you can see it's in hundreds. It's in hundreds. There are many.
Honorable, you have done well.